Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart AGM H6. Okay, we have two methods how we can restart our device. I'll show you both of them. We have simple reboot using the power menu, and we also have the forced restart. Let's begin with reboot. All we need to do is to launch the power menu by simply holding the power button, just like that. Now if you tap on the restart, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and it will be ready to use. That's the first method. When it comes to the forced restart, this method is recommended, for example, when our whole device is lagged or frozen, when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything. That's the moment when we can perform a forced restart and everything should start working properly. To perform a forced restart, we need to hold power button and volume up button until our device turns off. So simply hold both buttons. Okay, and when it vibrates, you can release your fingers, you can see the logo that it appeared on the screen, and now we just need to simply wait until the device turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.